Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial and review on the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. I recently got this for Christmas and I wanted to film a video with it. I have used it a couple times and so far I really like it. So we'll start with swatches and then we'll get into the eyeshadow tutorial. I don't think that these have names, but I'm going to start with the top row and go from left to right. I'm definitely not a very good swatcher, but that is the first row. Onto the second row. As you can see, these are all very, very pigmented shades. And onto the last row. So that is all of the shades. I would have to say that I really like this shade here in the top corner. That was the first shade I swatched. I really like this mint shade. It's very unique. And I also used this one the other day and I really liked it as a lid shade. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to start by applying an eyeshadow primer. I'm using the Morphe one today. I'm going to start by taking an Morphe M441 brush and take this mint shade as my crease shade. This shadow blends nice and easy. Next, I'm going to take a Morphe E17 brush and take this shade and put that in the outer corner and lower crease. Next, I'm just going to take a Morphe E27 and just blend. This does not have any additional eyeshadow on it. Next, I'm going to take this shade on my finger and put that on the inner portion of the lid, and this shade on another finger to put this on the middle and part of the outer corner of the lid. Next, I'm going to take the E17 brush that we were using and that shade that we were using in the outer corner and crease and just going to apply a little more of that. Then I will take the E27 brush again and blend. Next, I'm going to use a Morphe E36 in this shade to put on the lower lash line. While you could probably use this shade for an inner corner, I like to have a more white or champagne kind of shimmer for my inner corner, so I probably won't be using this palette for my inner corner shade, so I'm just going to go off camera and finish my inner corner and then I'll be back. Next, apply mascara and then you are done. Okay, so that is the end of the tutorial. Now I'm going to just get into a few of my other thoughts. This palette is good. I really like it. It does have a little bit of fallout, and I wish there was another matte. I don't mind reaching into another palette for highlights, but I kind of don't think I would use any of these as a highlight shade personally, but you probably could if you wanted to. But I do think that these are good quality for the price. They're $27. This one has a very nice mirror. I did use this today, and I love every shadow. They all blend amazing and they all work beautifully. I especially love this shade, which we used on the lid today. I've liked every look that I've come up with using this palette, and I would definitely recommend it. Especially if you like color. If you don't like color, you obviously won't like this. I love green shadows. I feel like they look good with my brown eyes, so I really do like this palette. I want to try another palette from Huda Beauty. I think the quality is really good for the price, and I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any requests for videos in the future, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!